welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an extra upload because today is the pre-order launch date for the 24 Days of LIBMAS Latest in Beauty Advent Calendar. It's our first Advent Calendar unboxing this year and I'm hoping to do many more. This is what it looks like. I've just opened mine up and then it opens up like this. It retails for £65. However, if you are a Latest in Beauty subscriber, it is £58 instead. But it has £274 worth of products inside. Like I said, the pre-order launches today, but it actually officially launches on the 1st of October. So get yourself over to the website. I will leave it linked down below. You get 24 products and 12 of them are full size. That's half of the products that you get are full size. And let's just get straight into this Latest in Beauty 24 Days of LIBMAS Beauty Advent Calendar. So to keep the suspense and the excitement, I've agreed with Latest in Beauty to not actually show you what's behind each door, but I will show you what is in the Advent Calendar altogether. So I've put it all into my little Estee Lauder bag and I'm just going to randomly pull them out so they are like in random order. And let's just go into it because the more I open this, the more excited I get. So I want to get into it. So the first one, which is actually one that is going to be going straight into my mum's basket. This is from the Avon. It's their Glimmer Stick Blackest Black eyeliner. My mum absolutely swears by this. She's probably gone through endless amounts of these. So that is first full-size product. Next up is a scalp and hair mask. It's a really intense thickening one. It says to apply to the lengths of damp hair. Massage the product onto the scalp and leave 10 minutes and then rinse through. My scalp is so sensitive recently, so I'm excited to try this. I've never tried anything from the brand Grow Gorgeous as well. Next full-size product is from the brand Charles Worthington. This is their Volume and Bounce Big Blow Dry Spray. So it's meant to add volume and high shine and long-lasting weightless control, and it's meant to protect up to 235 degrees thermal protection. Just looks like this. Next up is a full-size brush. This is from a brand that I've never actually heard of before, but this is their small circle brush, which just looks like this. And when you purchase this brush, the brush sales go towards their Cole Cares, which is a charity which empowers people through the power of makeup. And it has all the stories on their social media. So if you go to colecreators.co.uk, oh, that's what the brand's called, clever, or Cole Creators on like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, then it'll give you more about their charity as well. This one I'm so excited about. This is the Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk, which is a body moisturiser, and I'm sure these are £10. You know, I've saw them on Bootsies, like the mini versions of them, and I'm sure these retail for £9.95 or something like that. So it's basically like a moisturiser, but then obviously it gives you a bit of a golden tan. Bondi Sands, if you follow my channel, you know I absolutely love. And their coconut smell on their formulas is just amazing. But that one is a cocoa butter scent. Amazing. We also have some nail products in here. So this is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Step 1 Colour and Step 2 Gel Top Coat. So it's like a gel-like long wear formula, but you don't have to use a UV lamp. So it's going to last as long as gel nails, but obviously you don't have to use a lamp for it. Next up we have some eye masks from Temple Spa, which are meant to reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles, and it's meant to firm the eye area by replacing any lost moisture. It's meant to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and brighten and tone the eye area for a healthy appearance. So I'm excited to try them. Next one, which was one that I've never really heard of this before. This is from the brand Shear, and look how stunning this packaging is. It's a little spray and it's actually a hair fragrance. And it smells so sweet, which is my kind of like scent anyway. But oh my god, amazing. Let's put some on. Oh, that does smell really nice. So yeah, that's a hair fragrance. It's something a bit different. Next up, we have a Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask. This is from the brand Skin Laundry. It's meant to refresh, hydrate and nourish, and it's, like I said, a facial treatment mask. It just looks like this. From the brand Sukin, we have a Pink Clay Facial Mask. This is paraben free and it's meant to be for sensitive skin types to leave a radiant and clear appearance to the skin. A product from Sanctuary. Next up we have a product from Sanctuary Spa. This is their 50ml body butter. Let's have a smell of this. Oh my god, it's like actually filled to the brim. Like you literally can't get any more in there. Ooh, that smells lovely. Next full-size product is the Dr. Organic Bioactive Skincare, and this is a Shear Moisture Wonder Oil to moisturise, nourish and soothe the skin, and it's a 150ml bottle. Like, it is full size. So it's meant to be ideal for dry skin. You can use daily on your body, face and hair to replenish moisture levels, improve the appearance of skin. So yeah, 150ml, like that'll last you forever in a day. Speaking of lasting forever in a day, we actually have a lip balm from Dr. Pawpaw, and this one is meant to be pink. I don't want to open it because I'm not ready to open a lip balm yet, but it's meant to be a pink, hot pink balm. So it's a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks, and if you want to have a hint of pink anywhere. And it's fragrance free and obviously cruelty free and vegan as well. And that's 25ml. Like, that will last forever in a day. Next up, we have a perfume from a brand that I've never actually heard of before. This is Juliet Has a Gun, and it says not a perfume, and it's 5ml, and I've not actually smelt this yet. So let's open this up. So it comes in just like a little container like this, and I love that it's got a spray and not a rollerball, because these are just so much more practical. Let's have a... Ooh. That'd be perfect for night out. Sorry if you can hear my mum shouting in the background. Millie's in the bath. Next up is actually a candle. This is from the brand 58. I think that's what they're called, 58 Lifestyle. It's a balancing eco soy candle. Ooh. Oh, that smells lovely. That's what it looks like. The packaging's really, really nice as well. That smells really, really nice. Next up, we have a face scrub. This is the Ayumi. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. This is the Turmeric and Bergamot face scrub, and it's got argan oil, turmeric, and papaya extract in. It's dermatologically tested. It says deeply cleanse with our turmeric and bergamot face scrub packed with exfoliant and bamboo powder to gently buff away dead skin cells and impurities. And it's cruelty free and vegan as well. And this is it. Doesn't say how much is in you. Oh, there we go. 20ml little tub. And it just looks like this. Next up, we have a little product from Molten Brown. This is the Molten Brown Jasmine and Sunrose Bath and Shower Gel. I love that the cap's gold. Ooh, that smells lovely. Oh, I'd really like to, do you like when you have certain shower gels that you'd really like to use before a night out? That's one of them. I don't know if that sounds weird, but it's got like a night out smell. So I'd want to use that before a night out. I don't know. It smells nice. Molten Brown keeps shocking me because all of the minis I've had in Molten Brown smell so good. But when I used to work in house frizz, I never used to like the smell of them. So it must just be like certain ones that I like. Next one is a 50ml bottle of the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray for colour treated hair. What do? You spray it mid-length and through the ends, comb through, and I think it's just meant to be like a heat protectant, I believe. I think so. But 50ml, that will last you a canny while as well. It's a good way of testing it out. Next up is something that I need to do more often, and it's de-stress. This is the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Bath and Shower Oil. When I first opened this, I thought, oh, bath oil, but then I saw the shower and I was like, oh, perfect, because, you know, I ain't a bath person, I'm a shower person. But it says to add 2 capsules to your bath or smooth it all over your body before showering, and it's 9ml. So once again, for oil, obviously you don't need that much, otherwise you're going to slip inside like a snake. Speaking of oil, the next one is the Monney Skin Firming Fiji Facial Oil for dry and sensitive skin. It says, after cleansing and toning, warm into the palm of your hands and massage into the skin using gentle upward motions. It's paraben free, and it says to avoid direct contact with your eyes, which is obvious. And it's made in the UK, and it's 30ml, and it just looks like this. There's quite a lot of oils in this, so I think you'd be smooth as a baby's bum from this advent calendar. Next up is a makeup product, which obviously I got super excited for. This is from the brand Lottie London. This is their eye foil. This is the metallic eyeshadow topper in the shade Faded, and it is pretty, like, look how nice that looks. Another makeup product. This is from the brand HG Brows, which is quite pricey. They sell it at my hair salon where I go, and it's quite a pricey brand. This is the High Definition Beauty Brow Define pencil in the shade 002 Foxy. It's got a little pencil sharpener on the end, and it just looks like this. But if that's what the colour of the pencil is, it's something that's actually going to suit my brows. Because I hate when you get like a warm toned eyebrow pencil. It just looks a mess for my kind of brows. And then last two products, the second from last is the Balance Me Natural Skincare Vitamin C Repair Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. Says it's 98% natural and it's got 7 millilitres inside. This looks like a kind of like a deluxe sample. It says turbocharge your routine with a pea-sized amount of this powerful lightweight serum to intensely hydrate, brighten and firm your complexion whilst helping to reduce pigmentation and uneven skin tone. I feel like I was in an advert then. And then last but not least is a lipstick. This is from the brand Oriza Beauty, I think. And this is the lipstick shade. Why is all the names so hard to pronounce? Japonica. That's what I'm going to go with. And it's like this kind of brown, orangey, nudie kind of colour. I think it'd be really nice for autumn actually. So it's really nice for me to open it now because it means I can play with it. So yeah, that is everything. Like I said, £65 advent calendar. If you are a subscriber, it's £58. Pre-order is launching today. I will leave the link down below. If this tickles your fancy, if you like the look of these products, then please go ahead and buy through my link. They are affiliate links. Oh my god, I just found something else. No, I haven't. It's a serum. And they are affiliate links, so a little bit of the money that if you do buy anything will come towards me and help me to support my YouTube channel. So thank you so much if you do buy through my link. But just have a little look. Click on the link and have a little look, see if it tickles your fancy. Like I said, 24 products, 12 of them are full size, so half of the products that you get in here are full size anyway. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, Latest in Beauty, for sending this advent calendar to me. I feel like a big YouTuber. I'm only joking. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.